So finally, the most awaited time of the year has come. Time to say goodbye to 2020 for hopefully an amazing 2021. Hello my dear viewers, this is Ghazal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2020 has been life-changing for all of us. But one thing that has kept me going all this while is my 2020 planner. If you want to know more about it, do watch this video. And if you're someone who still doesn't use a planner or a journal, get yourself a good planner ASAP. So finally, the most awaited time of the year has come. Time to say goodbye to 2020 for hopefully an amazing 2021. And this calls for a new planner. So a couple of weeks ago, I was looking for a good planner, and that's when I came across 2021 Pro Planning Box by Amazon. And I was like, yes, this is a planner that can definitely make my 2021 worth it by turning my dreams into plans, plans into goals, and goals into reality. So I bought it instantly for 1400 rupees, and here it is. So let's unbox this planner and see what's inside. Wow, this is so beautiful. So it says big ideas have small beginnings. So it's my tiny change. And definitely when you have a planner like this, definitely your beginnings are going to be beautiful. Let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first we have the secret to get ahead is getting started. Okay, so this is a plain notebook. I really like this plain white because as per the research, when you write on a plain white paper, you get more creative. Okay, so then we have to-do list, and this is terrible, so that's the best part of it. So definitely it helps you to plan your day. And here comes our planner. Wow. So here is a message by the makers that I'll read later. So now, yeah. So tiny change. So their mission, welcome statement. Okay, so they have very beautifully described that how this planner is made, how it is structured. Live what you love. My true self. This is nice. This would definitely help me to have a lot of introspection and to think deeply about my goals. Master list of goals. Wow, that's amazing. Key learnings from 2020. I think this one page is not enough because 2020 has been a bumpy ride full of learnings. So this is nice. This was not there in my previous planner. So firstly, it has learnings from 2020 and then 2021 starts. So this is the roadmap, goals and all. So yeah. Planning pages. Wow, this is nice. Calendar and dates to remember. Helicopter view. Okay, so I guess here they have explained that how monthly planning needs to be done, how weekly planning needs to be done. So like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. Top life lessons from high achievers. This was also there in my previous planner. Again, this is much needed for, wow, this is something different. So I think for every month there is going to be this coloring sheet. And without doubt, coloring sheets or coloring, I would say it's one of the best stress management techniques. So that's how our planner starts, Jan. So this is week 1. Weekly challenge. Yeah, I read in the description that there are 52 challenges in the planner. This is for the Feb. So all in all, I think this is a very detailed planner. Okay, so here it is 2021 year and celebration. So I think this needs to be filled up by the end of the year. Then we have bucket list ideas. Wow, this is nice. Have you prepared your bucket list? Most cherished possessions, self-care plan. I love this one. Inspiring quotes, binge watch, movies I want to watch and series I want to watch, although I don't watch many movies. My wonder list. So hopefully if Corona allows me, I would definitely write something here to buy this year. Girls, you're gonna love this one. Favorite content creators. This is nice. This is very different. I've never seen this section in any of the planners. Skills I want to build. Power network. I think these are the people that I want to be associated with. Yeah. Books to read. So this reminds me of my mission 2021. If you still don't know about it, please do watch this video. Concepts to learn. Subscription tracker. Monthly budget. Very important section to do budgeting and save and to know how to spend money. I don't think I would be using this section. Grocery planner, then ID cards, health and measurements, home cleaning. It's quite detailed. Yeah, so I think that's all about the planner. We have got something here. Yeah, I read in the description that lots of freebies are there. So we've got a lot of stickers. Wow, this is nice. Motivational printables. Okay. Happiness is a habit. Then some thank you postcards are there. This is, I guess, a bookmark. Yeah, so this is a bookmark. So I would surely give thumbs up to this planner. I think it's very thoughtfully designed and it's quite detailed. So let me know if you like this video, this planner, and do let me know if there is any other planner that you use in the comments below. So that's for today. Bye and stay connected.